I mean, part of the issue here is there's a lot of ethical concerns, and if you're represented by counsel, I'm not supposed to talk to you, but if you are represented, if it gives me permission, then I can speak with you.
We're not a party to the case.
But you're represented by counsel.
Well, I think work staff at you all, I said I wasn't putting Mr. Shannon
Well,
on
no,
the
but
spot,
I mean, again,
but I will.
part of the, and that is part of the concern. And my concern is, I think, what the BZA is putting out here is normally, if staff has a question, who would they ask? If they're gonna ask the city attorney, fine, it's administrative, but they're also signed the pleading, they're on the other side. And typically, when you're on the same side, you guys haven't had that problem, but now.
We're on a side.
You're right, well, right, you're on a side, but you're in it. And so to me, I think that what I don't know is the conversations that have been going back and forth, and the advising does create a problem for us. In terms of agreeing on what the record is or agreeing on findings of fact, that's one thing, but if there's a question that you guys have, and you go ask the city attorney's office, if that could hurt my clients, well, I feel uncomfortable with that. If you had a independent counsel who wasn't part of it, I think the appearance as well as the advice would be different. In terms of agreeing on the record, that's one thing, but if staff has never gone to the city attorney's office, never asked them a question about the record, what should they do? I mean, to me, I don't know, maybe the staff has never gone to the city attorney's office and said, what should we do in this situation? Or do we include this or do we not include this? And if that question's being asked, then I would have an issue with that. I mean, regardless of the other provisions that talk about whether or not there's going to be additional information. But I mean, in terms of agreeing on a record, I'm sure that we can agree on a record. But again, I would want to